Thank you for asking the question, because finally, one of you opened up and spoke the truth. Many artists are secretly puzzled. Many students are puzzled because they don't resonate with the contemporary art scene. They don't like it. I'm another one, a post-contemporary artist. I think we are representing the future. How do you get to an art museum? Good news, it doesn't matter your style anymore. Because of stupid Instagram and stupid iPhones, people now cannot spend more than 3 seconds looking at a picture. People get distracted all the time. I even notice when I give a lecture, people fall asleep or get distracted. 10 years ago, nobody. 10 years ago, everybody was listening and asking questions. People used to be interested in life. People now reject life. Everything people want nowadays is to escape life. They want internet, games, phones. They're running away from life. The current civilization is a death cult. It rejects life. Look at the ecosystem. Obviously, we reject life. Obviously. We make more plastic than trees. The bad news is that what determines if you're going to be famous or not, unfortunately, it's connections. Who do you know? If you have rich friends, you will be famous, don't worry. That's why I say that the contemporary art scene is the least democratic, the most elitist style that ever existed. In the past, if you were good, you would have been recognized for being good, and you would have been taken and worked for kings and popes. Nowadays, your quality doesn't matter, because people are blind to quality. It's who you know. Until the 19th century, artists used to come from all social backgrounds. Some artists were rich, some artists were poor, some artists were middle class. After the 19th century, that disappears. Practically all the artists that you see in the history of art books, they're all rich, including Van Gogh. It's a lie that he was poor. And all these lies are being told to you to make you stupid. The Dutch released the official reports of Van Gogh's finances. It's now public. Are you ready for the shock? Yeah. During the 10 years that Van Gogh was being fed by his brother, the brother sent him so much money that Van Gogh was receiving 15 times the national average in France. One man working could have a family in France. Van Gogh was receiving triple that amount from his brother, which means he had as much money as 15 people. Do you know the yellow house that he painted? All the romantic things. The yellow house was a separate house that he used to rent for his models. He was a rich man. I really hope this lesson raises a lot of questions in your head. Pure historical facts. The only thing that is from my interpretation is when I say that I believe it's on purpose, that contemporary museums and curators are hiding these painters. Because if you start looking at a lot of 19th century art, then you will not be impressed by contemporary art. And then their business is over. It's a business model. Why do you think it's so important for contemporary curators to always paint fast? It's very simple. Has to do with market, has to do with money, has to do with business. People in the 19th century discovered trends, fashion. What artists started having to do is every 10 years they would have to change style. Now it's Cubism that is popular. Next year, Cubism, no, we don't like that. We want abstract. Then 3 years later, abstract. Nah, that's so démodé. Now we want surrealism. Nah, art povera is good. No, that's already 5 years old. Bad. We want something else. By the way, this is a Western problem, but because of the Westernification of the world, it became a global problem. In the West, we look like children that receive new toys, and after a day or two, they don't like the toy anymore, they throw it away and they want a new one. This is consumerism. Thank you very much again, and I want to speak with you after the lecture, if that's okay.
Oh, yeah.
Bye-bye.